No, whatever. What is up? It is your boy, Mr. Impatient, back at you again with another video. Today, man, I got my new gear shifter in today, y'all. So I'm gonna put this joker in and I'm gonna show y'all what this thing look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and key this intro.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. Reaching for that new Patek, say the word and you got it. Como te Antonia, booty, yeah, you bout it.
New shifter, about to put this joker in the car right now. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and, show y'all what I do to the... So, let's see here. So, I'll take this out. We're gonna put that one in. Huh? No, I didn't, man. Don't worry about all that, man. No, it ain't, man. So, shut up. Hey, he always talking junk, man. So, first thing you do is let the emergency brake up because you gotta put it in gear. So, when you put it in gear, the door open, bro. So when you put it in gear, it's a little tab right here. Take the little flathead, peel it out. Take it out. Yeah, it's a 20. It's a 20 bit, star bit. So you take the star bit. It's a small, let's see if I can, it's a small screw right there. You gotta take it out. Oh, can't get it now. Can't get it in the hole.
No, son.
Can't get it in the hole. Take the screw out right there, and you just slide it up like this, like say. Now I'm putting the other screw right there. Then we gonna open this up. Got the hearse. Put the hearse on there. The hearse. Let me find the hole. Shut up. Hold on, y'all. This boat is different. It's not the same. Not the same one that not saying the same one. I mean not the same way. Let's see. So put that in there. Then you tighten it down. Tighten the sucker down. So, let's do it. Take that back down. Ooh, that thing feel good. Woohoo! Sucker feel good.
You ever put the boat on?
Yeah. Ooh, sucker feel good. It still got neutral lockout, but you can't still push it up, push it back down and drive though. Then you got reverse locked out. You put it back down and drive. You got park. So that is how you install a shifter. It's the old shifter. It's the new shifter. There you go. Ooh-wee. So that includes, oh man, my camera all fucked up, man. Hold on, man. It's all fuzzed up. What's going on? All right, there we go. All right, there we go. So that include the gear shifter change, and you know, got some stuff to show y'all. What we have here and what we got here. Oh man. So be looking like on the next video. I forgot to say, you know, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so you get notifications when I be uploading these awesome videos and stuff like that. And also check down in the description down below. I got all the information down in the description down below. Also, if you want to support the YouTube channel, you know, my Cash App information is down below, and I appreciate all the support. And like I said, I got a new sponsor coming. Oh, and it's a crazy sponsor. So just be looking out for the videos I got coming up. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. What are you waiting on? But anyway, here is the outro.
Yeah,